So here is the no fuss flush out of the tank. And I wanted to show why exactly this will help. If your camper does not have a black flush already installed, you can install this in the side of your black tank and just hook up the hose like this. And then when we turn it on, we will see what it is. And there you go. So it sends spray all over. That way it'll clear out your black tank without having to stick a hose to your toilet and do it that way. So let's get it installed. So I'm under here, and here is my black tank. So I'm trying to find the best place for it. And you have to drill a 1-inch size hole. I'm thinking the best place is gonna be right up here. Just don't know where else it could go. Unless I decided to put it in here. Which I could do something like that perhaps. I can't even see that. I could do something right here. So let me take a look and I'll see. So I don't have my gun handy, so I'm just gonna dab it on with my hands. Definitely don't want it on the nozzle. Because you for sure just don't want any of this leaking. Alright, well, I'm going to take this and try to clean it as best I can around the sprayer nozzle part of it. I hope I can get it all off. Alright, well, I think we got it dabbed on there pretty good. So then we're going to slide it back in there. And we'll put those screws in and we'll be done. So let's get underneath again. So now we'll just slide this on. Try to make sure this is kind of smooth, I guess. Push that on there. Oh yeah, that'll be good. Now, get my screws and we'll continue. It does look pretty good. I would recommend putting the hole a little closer to the top here. I've got a little bit of a gap. I wish I could have, I don't know, thought I measured it well enough, but I didn't. So this should be good though. It's nice and tight. And that'll give us the ability of rinsing out our black tank.
The storms we chase